everyone. A survey of 170 randomly selected teenagers aged 14 through 17 in the U.S. was conducted to gather data on summer employment for teenagers. The data are shown in the table. So basically we has a summer job, doesn't have a summer job. The totals are in this column, and here are your ages with the totals here. So we have 3 questions we're going to answer. And the first one is this one. It said, what percent of those surveyed had a summer job? So what we're doing is we're doing kind of probability type thing. So our total surveyed was 170. And the ones that had a summer job is 59. So you take 59, divide it by 170 to get your percentages, and you get 0.347, which is approximately 0.34, and you just multiply that by 100 to get your percentage. So the answer would be B. The next question, it said, in 2012, the total population of individuals in the U.S. Between 14 and 17 inclusive, meaning including 14 and 17, was about 17 million. If the survey results are used to estimate information about summer employment of teenagers across the country, which is the following is the best estimate of the total number of individuals between 16 and 17 years old who had a summer job in 2018. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our total of our survey, 170, divide it by our 17 million, and set up a proportion. And we want to set it up as the best estimate of total individuals between 16 and 17 that have a summer job. That would be 39. So we want to get that estimate here, this X. So when you cross multiply, you're going to get 170X equals 39 times 17 million. And then divide both sides by 170, so you get X equals 39 times 17 million. Divide it by 170. And when you do that, you're going to get answer B. All right, and the last question, it says, based on the survey, how many times more likely is it for a 14-year-old or a 15-year-old not to have a summer job than it is for a 16-year-old or a 17-year-old not to have a job? So what we're going to do is set up a proportion. So for the 14 and 15, this is going to be 69 divided by 89. And for 16 through 17, that's going to be 42 over 81. And when you calculate that, you're going to get 0.76. And this side's going to be 0.5 if you round. So, or let's do 52. So basically, we're going to put the X there because it says how many times more likely is it for the 14-year-olds not to have a summer job than it is for 16-year-olds. So we're looking for the 14-year-olds. So you divide both sides by 0.52. I'll just put 52 here. And that's going to give you approximately 1.50 times. So the answer would be C. You just cross that out and solve that way. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.